Is are we live? Like, Happy New Year! What's up, my royal flush? It is I, the Queen of Hearts, and I am back with another video. In today's video, y'all, I have not said that intro in so long. I feel I'm kind of shy. I don't know what it is. Like, y'all, I'm just kind of shy. Like this, it's weird, like sitting in front of this camera again. In today's video, it's going to be a new year get ready with me, talking about my life, talking about goals for this upcoming year, different stuff like that. So, but before we get into this video, you guys, please hit that subscribe button, y'all. Hit that subscribe button, and welcome to the Royal Flush family here on my side of YouTube. And also hit the bell notification button right after that. And at any point in this video, you guys are enjoying yourself, you guys are enjoying me, then give this video a big thumbs up. And with that being said, y'all, let's just get into this video.
The reason we do this, baby, you better use it. Use your imagination.
Okay, y'all, so it is New Year's Eve, like in 2018, the last day of 2018. Y'all watching this in 2019, but that's when I'm filming this. So I'm getting ready for New Year's, like tonight. So I got my little makeup bag, and I'm just going to, I already did my brows, so I'm just about to go get into this. Like, you know, I can't believe 2018 is over with, y'all. So it's just so crazy. The foundation I'm going in with is the Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation. Y'all, this has been a lifesaver. Oh, I didn't even put on primer. What is going on with me? I got my nose, I re-pierced my own nose because, like, on my way down to IMAX, yes, I went to IMAX, y'all, if y'all didn't know. A vlog will actually be up about on that probably after this video, IMAX Atlanta. Continuing about this Wet n Wild foundation, this foundation has been a lifesaver near the end of this year, like of 2018. A 2018 favorites video will be up as well. Probably, don't tell me I'm running low on this foundation. It was cheap, so I might buy me some more. So a 2018 favorites, like makeup favorites, will be up probably shortly after this video. You know, it's gonna be 2019, y'all. I can't wait. But yeah, this foundation has really been getting me through it. Like, I don't know, like it's I heard it's a demi-matte formula. I didn't really read up on this foundation. People was just liking it. And you know, like, I did my review video on it. I don't think I really liked it in the video, but I gave it another chance. And I don't know, it's just been doing it. It's been doing it for me, y'all. I don't know what it is. I'm just taking it on a beauty sponge. But so far this year has been okay. I worked at you know, Walmart for a minute. Yes, worked. If y'all didn't know, I did work at Walmart. I got fired from there because I was in the hospital. But like my, you know, kind of like my points kind of racked up. Ooh, if y'all want a video of me like basically talking about my experience with Walmart, like working there, please leave a comment below, because Walmart, going to Walmart and like shopping is way different than working for Walmart. Trust and believe, if you work in customer service, I feel like Walmart is one of the main stores, like they just, okay, I'm gonna just talk about that like in a video. So anyway, like yeah, this foundation just has been doing it for me. I went to IMAX Atlanta, and a vlog will be up about that. It happened in November, but I do have content like recorded, and like the vlog is like edited and already uploaded to my channel, but I don't know what's going on with me. I just have not been posting. I have not been posting, y'all. I don't know, but this year most definitely I'm posting more. Y'all see, I don't think y'all can see this little friend right here, but This year most definitely I'm posting way more. Like, I don't know what it is, like with the end of each year, like I always just get tired and I just don't feel like posting anymore. I don't know what it is. I don't know. Like, it happened at the end of 2017 and it happened at the end of 2018 as well. So I don't know what it is. So yeah, like I was saying, Slays and Throwaways of 2018 will be coming because I have a lot. Because I tried a lot of products in 2018. So yes, one of those will definitely be coming. Okay. Why am I doing my foundation when I was supposed to do my eyes first? But y'all, it's raining outside in Michigan. Yes, it's raining on New Year's. That's what I'm saying. So I'm taking a Jaclyn Hill palette. I don't know what I'm about to do. Sorry if you hear that in the background, but I don't know what I'm about to do. I'm probably just going to do a cut crease like I always do. So it's not looking bad, y'all. Ooh, yes, that's cute. Okay, y'all, so I gone for like the Egyptian glam, y'all. Like this. Oh my god, I'm looking at the monitor. Oh my god, this looks so cute. So I'm gonna take those same shades and I'm gonna put them underneath, pretty much. So yeah, let's talk about my New Year's resolution. Can y'all see me? Am I on focus? Put this shit this way. So my New Year's resolution, y'all, is to be consistent on this channel, okay? And consistent I will be. I can't tell me that's not a nose. Oh my god. Now it's time for setting spray. This is what I'm talking about. I swear, you have to wear some thick lashes with a big dramatic look, y'all. If y'all hear something in the background, I'm sorry. That's my heater. But yeah, y'all, so this is the completed look. I am very satisfied with it. It turned out really, really cute. Y'all know I had to struggle to find some good lashes that go with this look, because whenever you do like a dramatic look, you need some dramatic lashes. I know I really didn't speak that much in today's video because I don't know, I was just trying to hurry up and actually get everything done, like my whole face done, before like my ride came here. And yeah, so that's pretty much it. Tomorrow actually I might do I might do my Slays and Throwaways video of 2018. I don't know yet, but I'll just have to see. Don't quote me. Okay, you guys, if you guys did enjoy this video, please give this video a big thumbs up, and also do not forget to hit that subscribe button right before you leave. And with that being said, you guys, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.